important dissected part on the back of the knee, that is called popliteal fossa. This fossa is a depressed area, so the name is fossa, and behind the knee joint. And I will show you the diamond shaped boundary of this fossa and its important contents. Let us see the boundaries. Here is the popliteal fossa. This is knee, so it is behind the knee. This is medial side, this is lateral side. So let us see the boundary. This one is the upper and lateral boundary. This one. So this is biceps femoris, long head and short head. So this biceps femoris tendon forms the upper and lateral boundary of the diamond shaped popliteal fossa. And medially, here are the two tendons, semitendinosus and semimembranosus. These two tendons form the upper and medial boundary of the diamond shaped popliteal fossa. Then below, laterally by the lateral head of gastrocnemius, this one, and this one is the medial head of gastrocnemius. Now this is the two here and two from here. This is lateral head of gastrocnemius, this is medial head of gastrocnemius, and here this is biceps, this is semitendinosus and semimembranosus. This is the diamond shaped popliteal fossa, and these are the important contents of this fossa. The three important contents are one nerve, one vein and one artery. If I pass a forceps deep to this, you can see this is the tibial nerve, this is the sciatic nerve. If you see the sciatic nerve, it divides here one into common peroneal component and this one the tibial component. So here you will get the tibial component of sciatic nerve. Deep to which you will get the popliteal vein, this one popliteal vein, and deep to it is the popliteal artery. Popliteal artery is a continuation of the femoral artery, and here below the popliteal fossa, here it will divide into anterior tibial artery and posterior tibial artery. Posterior tibial artery will run along the posterior compartment and anterior tibial artery go anteriorly through the foramen between the tibia and fibula above the interosseous membrane, and it will enter into the anterior compartment of leg. So from superficial to deep, the structures are nerve, then popliteal vein, then popliteal artery. Artery is thicker. If you roll this artery by your fingers here, this artery, it is thicker, wall is thicker in compared to the popliteal vein, which is thinner wall. This one, very thin. So these are the three important structures in the popliteal fossa. Besides this, you will get the different nerves arising from the tibial nerve, arising from the popliteal artery and different tributaries of the popliteal vein, and also you will get different lymph nodes in the popliteal fossa. They are called the popliteal group of lymph nodes. So all these are the important boundaries and contents of popliteal fossa. That's all.